Okay, I'm pasting one basic problem.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
You got the problem, right?
Yeah.
So just let me explain once again. So you will be having an array of, and that array will contain only three numbers. So basically 0, 1, and 2. And what you have to do is you have to sort this number. Or maybe if, okay, let's keep sorting aside. You have to bring 0 in the beginning, 1 in the middle, and 2 at the end. So that is what the question is. So in this input, if you will see 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, all zeros coming to the first place, to the beginning, then 1 in the middle and 2 at the end.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, maybe zero is that coming first, then one, and then two. Means input is there, na sir? Like if
Yeah,
the
input,
input is
you
there.
will get input. Yeah, you
That
have
is the
to
input.
print.
0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2. That is the input, na?
Yeah,
Okay.
मैं लिख
Okay.
मैं लिख
So
रहा हूँ
where
भाई.
we can write in?
yeah. Here only in doc only you can write. Can you first explain like what are you thinking to do?
Yeah, I can using for loop. I can solve that. Sir. So we can write the package like you can solution like 0, 1, 1, 0. You can write the package. Can you got my point, sir?
Okay, let's write. You can write. Then maybe we can discuss.
उससे बोलना ये
Can you refresh this?
Yes, sir. Can
Can
you
you
refresh the
refresh the
page?
page?
भाई मुझे करने दो, रुको जरा 2 मिनट।
I'm not able to edit here.
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay, okay, got it. Fine. Nothing, nothing. Continue. Okay, maybe you can leave this input output. Uh, let's discuss about that, what you have written.
Yes, sir.
You can leave this main function. We can discuss the like above function, what you have written, like how it works.
1 मिनट रुक जाओ, थोड़ा सा और बचा है।
Can you explain me that, what you have written?
Only we can use it while loop and we can put switch condition and we can means put the place that here.
Like what is this while loop
Like
doing?
we can write that now means the condition like if it is we can take a variable like we to specify the condition like if low is equal to 0, mid is equal to 0 and high is equal to r dot length minus 1 means total length we can get na. That is we will
But
show now
why
we
is this
will for array we will standard in 0. Yes, sir.
why is low and mid you have assigned to zero? Why to start with zero?
Yeah. No, I can only means put the condition like it will means low is started from 0 na sir here. Always.
But why? We can start why zero? Why not array dot length minus one? Similar to high.
Yeah, I
Why
think
three variable is needed? Low, mid, and high.
means your condition is also na 0, 1 and 2 you will also.
Okay, okay, go on.
Yeah.
What is the next? This while loop.
Yeah.
What are you doing in switch case?
Yeah.
What are you doing inside switch case?
I can write the condition na here. Means switch we can write means if the condition is true then we can means it can come inside the means condition like look here.
Yeah, and what are you doing inside this? What is the swap and low plus plus mid plus plus?
Yeah, means if the condition is true then it will be like if plus plus means it will increment.
You are doing swap of array low and mid. What is that swap function doing? What is the swap function doing?
Yeah, swap means we can write the condition means here, sir. Into like it means that condition is there, like we can swap that variable here. Can you
Can
write
you
your
write
own
your own
function to
function
swap?
to swap?
Yeah, one function means. Yeah.
Can you write your own function to swap the numbers? You are using inbuilt function swap, no?
Yeah.
Can you write your own function and use that here?
Okay. What are you doing?
What are you?
So I can get the polymorphism. So I is equal to
But
maybe
why?
into like into the more and it is like less than the length and then I can increment the value here. And I can compare it is if it is zero then I can write the condition. But that
But
is
that is
already
already
written.
there,
That's
na?
why
That while loop you have already written. Why this for loop is needed?
yeah. Means I can write them by my own I don't swap
विदाउट स्वैप विदाउट स्वैप ऐसे ही करना पड़ेगा ना.
without server I can do that with that manner. You
You have to write your own swap function that I want. Instead of using this swap, you have to you create one swap function, my swap function, and use it instead of swap function.
okay.
भाई ऐसे ही करना है ना, देखो पूछो।
Yes, sir, I can do that.
Okay, but you are writing this function inside sort array function.
Yes, sir.
This function, what you have written, SMAP, is inside sort array function. Is that correct?
Yeah, no, I am writing the something.
Okay, fine. Maybe this you can leave. This main function is not needed. Okay, I'm pasting one more problem. Maybe you can go through this. Let me know.
Okay.
Can you scroll down? I pasted one new problem.
Create a set with what's the requirement for you?
So basically, you have to create one interface. You are aware about interface, no? Java interface. So you have to create one interface where you will be having two methods, one for area and another is perimeter. And what you have to do is you have to create one class which will implement that interface. Okay. Shape. Okay. Then you have to create two subclass which are going to implement that. Then again you have to create a function where you can call those method for both of the subclasses.
Okay, means that means you are telling that I can create the two subclasses, and that two subclasses are also both you can call both methods.
Huh. Create two subclasses which will implement one common interface.
Yeah, that is shape interface. Am I right?
Huh.
Okay.
Can you also keep on explaining what you are doing?
Yeah, yeah. So basically, I can create as per your requirement, I can create a interface and I can create two class yourself.
Yeah, so what exactly you're doing? Can you keep on reading your code as well? Like, what are the next steps you're going to do? What things you're doing?
Yeah, sir. Here I can do that. Sir, like your requirement, like I can call or like two methods.
I got that, but like while coding also, can you explain that what is your thought process and what are you trying?
Here I can create we can create two variables. Yes, sir. First of all, I can create an interface here, and I can create a like a double area method and a double here means and parameter method here I can create, and I can create a class and implement that like a state method here, and I can also here and create a variable like private double radius, and I can like also here I can public circle that method I can override here also. That I can do.
What is that public circle?
Yes, sir. What is that
What
public
is public
circle below
circle below
radius?
radius?
Yeah, that public circle means we can create it. That is a method, na sir? Here, circle method is also there, na sir? Circle is a
Circle is a
class, na?
class, no?
Yeah. Yeah, I can create it.
Why
Why
this
this
public
public
circle
circle
method
method
is
is no
needed
sir?
inside
Circle
circle
method
class?
it is not a method. It is like a constructor. You know, na like constructor name should be same name as that of that. So I can create a constructor to here. Okay,
Okay,
fine. Go
fine,
on.
go on.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I think this is fine. You have created one subclass and that is implementing that interface.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So
So can you tell me like inside this constructor what you have created? This dot radius equal to radius. What does
yeah.
this keyword do?
Basically, like it can means this keyword is meant for like it can hold foreign object address. What else?
What else? Where can we use this?
Where can we?
Where can we use this keyword?
Yeah, like we will initialize doing instance variable. What is
What is
instance
instance
variable?
variable?
It is non-static variable is also called as instance variable, which is created inside the class or outside the method, not using that variable. That is instance variable. So you are
So you are
saying
saying that
that static
static
keyword
keyword
can't be
can't be
used
used
inside a
inside a
class.
class.
No, I am not saying static keyword. I am saying non-static. No, non-static.
Ha,
Non-static is
non-static is
fine.
fine,
But
but
what is the
what is the
difference
difference
between
between the
static and
static and
non-static?
non-static?
Static belongs to class, while non-static belongs to object. So static has dedicated
Static
memory,
belongs
non-static
to class, you are saying. What does
means
this mean that
static
static
belongs to
belongs to
class and
class and
non-static.
non-static does not belong to class?
Because every time non-static variable we can create an object and we can like the non-static member will be loaded in it. Non-static variable. So that is
No,
that
just tell
means
me like where can you initialize a variable with static keyword?
yeah. We know na by
What is
using this keyword we can unit means access like static variable and non-static variable also both. So
so what is the difference between static and non-static?
static is static means you can create static inside class outside a method by using static word. But in non-static we don't use static word, which is belong to object. So whenever we can create object, the non-static member will be loaded in it. And if you don't initialize, it means if you don't initialize the static and non-static variable both, depending upon the default type, it is like the default value will be stored in it. And if you change the main value of static variable, the remaining value will be changed. But in non-static, if you change the main value, the remaining value will not be changed. That's the static and non-static.
Okay. Okay, are you aware about data hiding? What is data hiding in Java?
Yeah.
So what is data hiding?
If you made a stable private, then we don't have means we access that outside the class. Means private member who can access inside class, not outside the class. That is the data hiding.
And like, what have you done here to hide data?
Yes, sir.
Are we using this in our code anywhere? Have you used data hiding in your code?
In my project, sir.
No, here in this
अभी कोई कोड में हाइड
in
किया
this
है क्या डेटा?
problem.
Yeah, private double. Yes, sir. In my private, here I can use data hiding. Private double, that is.
Okay. And the next thing is you have created a constructor public circle, right? So what if I make that constructor private?
If you made it constructor private, then outside the class you cannot initialize that object not initialized. You cannot create that object.
But we also have something called by default constructor, right?
Yes. Right. Yeah. Default
For
constructor.
all classes, we have default. Yeah. So why can't I initialize it using default constructor?
Default constructor means whenever you don't create whenever object with the argument and you forget to create the object, then the compiler will be automatically create a constructor that is called as default constructor during compilation.
So if I make your constructor private, will I be able to create an object using default constructor?
No, means you can create a private so how we can
But we also have default constructor, right?
So default constructor, if you means don't create the object, then it will create a constructor and also create a by default. That is called as default constructor.
Okay. Are you aware about polymorphism?
Yeah.
What is polymorphism?
Yeah, in polymorphism, I am not interested to go with my parent class implementation. I am interested to go with my child class implementation, my own implementation. Then I can go to polymorphism. Polymorphism means it is if I develop a feature software, it can take more than from one form depending upon situation. Like we can achieve polymorphism by two ways, like method overriding and method overloading. Whatever I can tell, that is method overriding. Means I am not going to my parent class implementation. I am interested to go with my child class implementation. Like we can tell that if to here we modify the logic of inherited method in child class by one creating a method with same signature in child class. It is also called as polymorphism. And in polymorphism, it is not applicable on table, it is only applicable on method. And in Java 1.5 onward, that is a convergent concept is there. Like we can change the return type also. In Java 1.5 onward.
What are different types of polymorphism?
Yeah, runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism.
What is runtime polymorphism?
Yeah, runtime polymorphism means it is like execute means whenever we can run our program. Like the method overriding overriding is the example of runtime polymorphism. Like the Debian will state, it will state the in runtime polymorphism, Debian will state the runtime object. And in compile time polymorphism, Debian will state the like reference type. Always take care the reference type. And whenever you can convert .java file to .class file, it is like it is a part of compile time polymorphism, and the method overloading is the part of the compile time polymorphism.
What is method overloading?
Yeah, in method overloading, here we can create more than one method inside same class and same method and provide different type of arguments and a different number of arguments. That is method overloading. Like we can.
So how does compiler know that which method to call?
Yes, sir.
How does compiler know which method to call?
Yeah, it can see method arguments, like it can take the method argument, method signature, means you have the same method and provide the different type of argument. And it is mean compile time polymorphism you are telling, or the runtime polymorphism you are telling?
Compile time.
Compile time polymorphism also, like compiler will take like means a reference type. Always that means in reference time they can call that. So which reference you can call.
And how at runtime basically your program knows which function to call?
It is depending upon the runtime object, sir. You can create like A1 is equal to new A. So basically it is depending upon the runtime object which can call.
Okay. So to be precise, at runtime, whatever object is calling that method, how does basically your program know? Let's suppose you have one parent class and you have three different child class. Okay. And in all the three, you are overriding one function. Your parent class has, let's suppose, run method, and in your child class also you have overridden that run method. So now at runtime, if you are calling the function with your child class, like how will it know that, how will the program know that you are not calling your parent class method? Or if you are calling that method with your parent class object, like I want to at what,
What the runtime object we can call, that is the variable.
how is runtime object decided?
Like A1 is equal to new A. So new A here, that is a runtime object.
But new A, you are assigning it to, let's suppose your parent class is there, parent class is A, okay, and child class is A1. I can assign A is equal to new A1 also, right? I can assign child class in your parent class object. You are getting my point?
You can tell that you class means parent class
So I'm writing, can you see here? Let's suppose you have this parent class, okay, and you have this child class also. Okay, I can write parent p is equal to new child. I can do this, right? Your object is of parent class, and you have one method run, which you are overriding here as well. Okay.
right override annotation. I don't know.
Okay. So when I will call this p dot run, which run method will be called? Let's suppose here I am printing a print parent, and inside this run I am printing child. What will be printed? This is your main method. How?
because means because child class we can hear more different. Override the polymorphism na. I am not interested to run
Runtime object, since the runtime object of type runtime object, it will.
But what multiple child method? What if there were multiple child class? Child. Let's suppose there was multiple child class, child one, child two.
Yeah.
Then how will you know which child class you have to print?
Multiple child classes. Means what are the software we can create na. So we can vary that type of object. Yeah.
But your object is of parent type, no?
No. It is equal to new child. Here we can create a runtime object so that it will say it can go like a runtime object. New child is done.
But how, when does it know that class it has to select? Why does it not show any error? Parent p is equal to new child.
Because Delphian will take the runtime object here, new child. It is a runtime object. So it is not. And also, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Also there. Okay, got it. Maybe I think this is fine.
It is like all
So
my runtime
basically,
object is defined, so it is called here.
so this is runtime polymorphism or compile time.
This is runtime
The example
polymorphism
what
is
we
method of